Avery just had her first big burp. Got all over Mom's robe. This is her first bout with hiccups.